Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ring app to set up your Ring Stick-Up Cam. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store for your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. If you are using an Android device, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Ring. Press the search icon to begin the search. Locate the Ring app in the search results. Make sure the app is developed by Ring Incorporated. Tap on the Get or Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Ring app. You may see a welcome screen. Tap on Create Account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, tap on Login to access your existing account. Follow the prompts to enter your information or log in. After logging in, tap on the option to add a new device. Select Stick-Up Cam from the list of Ring products. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your camera. Make sure the camera is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code on your camera. Position your camera within view of the QR code. Once scanned, follow any additional instructions on the app to finish setup. You are now ready to use your Ring Stick-Up Cam. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.